we are on track. Moto 2 Pro Snowbike, and the whole shot does not go to the Cowboy Jesse Kirchmeier. Instead, goes to, looks like Keaton Ward on the 195. Kirchmeier went wire to wire to win the first moto, and he is already charging up alongside Keaton Ward, looking for that number one spot as they carve through the FXR turn. The front of the field, Kirchmeier has the advantage. And Keaton Ward keeping Kirchmeier honest here. He's charging, and Yannick Boucher is in third, not too far behind. They're catching up to Jackie Reese-Keaton, trying to make a move here alongside Kirchmeier. Ward trying to make the run, and then Boucher is right behind him. This is a pretty close battle here as we get ready to come down to the final lap or two. So now Kirchmeier can get away while these two are dicing for the second spot. Inside card here for the Butcher, and a little bobble on the outside. Ward almost went off the track, and Yannick makes him pay. And Kirchmeier, well, look at the gap there. It's starting to narrow. Boucher is hard on the hammer here, and he might have a shot at Kirchmeier here in the final lap.
Jesse Kirchmeier takes the Snowbike Moto 2 win.
And with that, it is another overall win. So how about that for the Cowboy? 4 motos, 4 wins.